Okay guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a chat tag, and this is more my custom chat. So what you're gonna want to do is put tag and tag name over here after you put player and message, and you're gonna want to write if player.name is equal to your name or player.name is equal to someone else's name if you want them to also have this tag, and say game.replicated storage.chatted fire all clients player.name comma message comma true comma and then the tag name. Okay, that's all you have to do. And you put else game.replicated storage.chatted fire all clients player.name message false player. And in the local script named main script, you're gonna go to receive message part, and you're gonna go to the function and you'll see name and messages, put a comma, put tag, then comma again, and put tag name, and then you're gonna write an if statement and say if tag is equal to false, then the original one, and then you're gonna write underneath the all of those underneath type else if tag is equal to true, then and you're gonna copy this and paste it down here. But in the text section, you're gonna want to put a string, so like brackets dot dot, and you're gonna put tag name, and then put dot dot to conjoin the then conjoin the names, and you're gonna put two more dots, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much it, to be honest. You go to test, and this should work. Tagged. And in the next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to customize the tag color and not customize the whole text. And you can type whatever you want, and you'll have it. To prove that it actually works, to own two players, with two players in the game, I'm gonna be starting a local server, and I'll see you guys when the server is done. Okay guys, I'm back, and here is two players, and this is player one, so I'm gonna type in here and type hello. As you see, the tag is there, and now I'm over at player two, and I'm gonna go and type something and type hi. As you see, player two does not have the tag because their name is not in the tag. So now that it works, I'll see you guys in the next video.